We are Transformer Table, creators of the best multifunctional table ever. Launched right here on Kickstarter 2 years ago, we are the creators of the most successful furniture Kickstarter of all time, raising over $1 million. Since then, we shipped over 8,000 tables and benches to happy families and individuals across 75 plus countries. It got us off the ground to an incredible start, but we didn't stop there. After finding success with our Transformer Table 2.0, we asked ourselves, how can we make them even better? So, we went back to the drawing board, drew new sketches, studied wood species, built prototypes, and finalized designs. But something remarkable happened in the process. While setting out and creating the best multifunctional table ever, we ended up designing the world's best table, period. And now, we're back with the new and improved Transformer Table Collection. The Transformer Table, the only table you'll ever need. The Transformer Counter Height, for those who like to eat a bit higher up. The Transformer Bench, the ultimate seating arrangement. The Coffee Table, panel storage unit. And finally, our stackable Transformer chairs. This new collection is designed from the ground up to be the most versatile furniture on the planet. Available in 5 new hardwood finishes: American mahogany, Siberian birch, Canadian dark oak, Australian acacia, and Arctic white. For the space saver, the parent, the host, the entrepreneur, or the gamer, the new Transformer Table Collection is built and designed for everyone. To make these tables perfect and create the most amazing, long-lasting pieces of furniture, everything starts with quality, and the mission for unparalleled quality begins with hardwood. We've studied hundreds of wood species and their properties, from Canada to the United States, Europe, and Australia. We source the best quality hardwood species Mother Nature could provide. Every single component of the Transformer Table is constructed and assembled with 100% hardwood materials. Cutting no corners during manufacturing, the new Transformer Table is the most advanced 6-in-1 dining table we've ever created, from 18 inches to 10 feet and seating up to 12 of your guests, and slims down to a console size. Its 6 different lengths easily adapt to your everyday needs. The mag latch returns underneath each panel hooks into each other, providing a perfect fit and stabilization. Its new lightweight and compact design makes it easily movable and configurable. Its adjustable middle leg moves side to side, provides complete flexibility for all of your guests. Oh, and I wouldn't be worried about that big Thanksgiving dinner you host. It will support up to 750 pounds when fully extended. So stop worrying about those extra guests. There's always space around a Transformer Table. We've even thought of all you guys that like to eat a bit higher up, creating the very first Transformer Counter Height Dining Table. If you were wondering where you're going to store those table panels, you can now store all of your unused table panels inside the integrated compartment. Use it as a coffee table, for storage, or even as an adjustable shelving unit. Thoughtful design and versatility is everywhere. Complementing perfectly the Transformer Table, our Transformer Bench extends all the way up to 11 feet and seats up to 6 of your guests. The Transformer Bench also allows you to store all of your unused panels within the integrated storage box. When you're done, close it up and store it seamlessly underneath the table. But we didn't stop there. In designing the best table ever that will last the test of time, we needed to create the most resistant finish ever seen. Our new collection is completely waterproof and even heatproof. Yep, that's a blowtorch. The 3.0 collection by Transformer Table, smarter, stronger, and more versatile than ever before.
This is our 4th Kickstarter. Our backers brought Transformer Table to life and continue to drive our innovation. Thank you for turning our ideas into products. Join us in revolutionizing the furniture industry together again.